right, I wanted to do this challenge problem. This is from chapter 3, section 3, and I just wanted to kind of go over it. Notice this is the equal sign, so we need to do everything over the equal sign. 1/5 times all of this, so I would probably multiply through by 5. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And now I have 4k plus 2 minus 3 minus k is equal to, well, 4 times 5 is 20. So now I don't have to worry about distributing that weird 1/5. Let's distribute now this 4 and this negative. 4k plus 8 minus 3 plus k equals 20. We're going to add like terms. K plus 4k is 5k. Positive 8 and negative 3 is positive 5 equals 20. To get rid of the 5, remember we want to get rid of the furthest stuff away from the variable that we're solving for. So I'm going to subtract 5 over. These cancel out, opposite numbers. 5k is equal to, well, 20 minus 5 is 15. 5 is being multiplied by k, so to get rid of it, I'm going to divide. We're finally solved. K is equal to 3.